Hi, this is Ms. Evans, and today I'm going to show you how to create a slideshow to go along with your poem using photostory 3. If you do not have photostory on your computer, it is available as a free download from Microsoft. Just Google in photostory 3 download and you should be able to locate the Microsoft page where it's available. Follow the directions on the page. It's a real quick and easy download. Okay, so you need to have photostory 3. We're going to be working with that program. The other thing that you need to do before we actually begin is gather your images that you're going to be using. So what you're going to need to do is print off your poem. Look at your poem and decide whether you want one picture per stanza or one picture per line, or one picture for every 2 lines. And think about what images you want to use to go along with your poem. You will create a folder on your desktop, title it Poem Pics or something similar, and put all of your images in there. You can use digital photos that you have, or you can scan in photos if you have a scanner available to you, or you can go on the internet and locate some images. Just make sure you follow copyright laws and don't use any images that you do not have permission to use. There are many free images available out there on the computer though. Once you've gathered your images and you have photostory on your computer, you're ready to get started. So go to Start, Programs, open up the photostory, and you should get this start screen. We're going to begin a new story, and we're going to click Next. Okay, the first step is to import our pictures, so we're going to go to Import Pictures, and you see I put all of mine in the Where I'm From Pics folder. Okay, you just click here and locate the folder where your pictures are. Okay, and then you're going to click on the picture. And if you want to, you can hold down the Control key and go ahead and get all of your images at one time. Just makes it quicker instead of doing them one at a time. And click OK, and it should come up. And you see this little slideshow bar down at the bottom that tells you what pictures you have in there. And it's real easy to move the pictures around. You just click on it, hold the mouse down, and move it where you want it to go. Get them in the order that you want them to be in. And the neat thing about photostory is that you can actually edit your pictures. If you want to crop a picture, you can crop it and move it around. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to close that. No, I'm not going to save it. You can also rotate, get rid of red eye, adjust the color. Lots of options for editing your pictures. Okay. Once you've got the pictures in, you want to make sure that you get them in the right order. And then you're going to click Next. And you can add a title if you want to. You can add text to each slide if you wanted to, or a title text, or text at the end. For this one, I'm not going to add a text, but it is certainly an option that you have. You would just type in your text. I'll go ahead and give it a title. Alright, and I want it to be down at the bottom so you can see it a little bit better. And I'm going to, if I wanted to, I could put at the end, I'll put my name. Oops. And let's see if I can do that at the top and see it. Yes. All right. Click Next once you've done that. And this is the neat thing about photostory, is that you can add your voice, and you can add it one slide at a time. Most programs you have to do the entire voice recording and then match it to the pictures. It's kind of a difficult process, but with photostory it's really easy. You just click on the slide that you want to add text to, click the record button and it will record. Once you've gotten what you want to say down, you would click the stop button. If you mess up, you can click the delete narration. You can preview it before you decide if you want to delete it. So lots of options there. It does work better if you have a microphone that you can plug into your computer rather than just using the speaker sound. Gives a clearer voice. Okay, so you want to go to your next slide, add the lines that go with that. Stop. Okay, and then you would just continue. Alright, so once you've got all of your narration in, all of your poem read, and you do want to make sure that you plan ahead and know what you're going to say for each picture, you would click Next. Photostory allows you to choose background music and add it. For our poems, we are not going to use music, but it is certainly an option when you're creating something else. If you look down here at the slide bar, you can see that I have narration on these two slides and I don't have it on any of the others. That's just because I haven't finished it. So this is another way that you can kind of check yourself to see. One thing I forgot, let me go back to the narration screen, is you can customize your motion, how your slides are going to come in. If you look at this, you can specify a start position and an end position, and we're going to keep that one. And our end position, we're going to grab this and we're going to end with just the Barbie dolls. Okay, and you would save that. And you can also, on this, you can set the duration automatically. That's where it goes with your voice. However long you talk, that's how long your picture will be up there. But if you do the number of seconds, you can click on that and have it for so many seconds. We're going to do it automatically because we want it to match up with our voice. Okay, we're going to close this because we've already saved it. Yes, we saved it. All right, and you can do that. You can customize the motion for each slide if you want to. All right, we're going to go to Next. This is the music slide again, and we're going to go to Next, and then you are ready to save your story for playback. Okay, so you want to click that, and if you wanted to, you could email your story or use these other options, but we're going to save it because we're going to upload it later. And you want to make sure you name it and save it in a place where you will be able to find it, and then you're going to click Save Project, and then you would click Save. Okay, and once you've done that, you have your project saved and you are done creating your photo story. You can go back and view it and make sure it looks right.